Hey guys, I had a bit of a prang with my Patrol recently, and unfortunately I wrote it off. Now, insurance was good to me, and now I've got this beast. She's a TI from the year 2000, and it is totally grandpa spec. Been really well looked after. It passed a roadworthy as it is. I think I had to do the shockies on it. That was it. Other than that, she's mint. Even has a little nudge bar on the front. Some cute spotties. Very clean. I've still got my bull bar and some other bits and pieces. All my storage setup wasn't in the back of the Patrol at the time, so it's going to be a good build very soon. And if you've been following me on Instagram, you will have seen that I've got a bit of a cheeky engine conversion that was about to happen when I pranged my Patrol. So that's going to happen to this one now instead. This is a TB45 petrol, and that's going to change pretty soon. I wouldn't have bought a TB if I'd planned on keeping it because it guzzles fuel. So yeah, stay tuned.